Hi, Mark at Physical of Eversville, and this is my friend Paula. Paula came here because she needs to get a hip surgery. The doctors, however, won't do her surgery until she gets in a little bit better shape, and they would like her to lose a little bit of weight. The problem with that, however, is that she had no direction or has no direction on where to go, how to go about doing it, what she can tolerate or what she can't. And a lot of times in well-meaning people or well-meaning patients will go in and just when they're told they have to lose weight or start trying to strengthen, they jump into things that are too hard. They end up making more pain for themselves or end up hurting themselves worse. Then they don't want to do anything and they get nowhere. So Paula came in here, and what I want to go over today in our videos is some suggestions for what people can do in order to start easing into a program when they need to lose weight or when they need to start strengthening before a surgery and they haven't been able to do it beforehand, so they aren't always in the best of shape starting off. The biggest thing that I want to tell somebody is that it's very easy to do too much too soon. You're much better off starting slow and easy, keeping it comfortable for yourself, making sure that your techniques are good so you're not causing further injury. The second thing is, and what has been shown, is that a person does a lot better from a surgery if they actually train for it first, because they get the muscles a little bit better conditioned, they're a little stronger, their joints move a little bit better, and they just overall do a little bit better rather than just going into something cold and having to come out and then having to try to strengthen themselves on an already down system from the surgery. So, with Paula's help today, and with her permission, we're going to show you a couple ways of starting and working on strengthening and trying to get the ball rolling for yourself. When in doubt, though, it's always better to do less than more. And if you do too much to where you have shot the rest of the day for yourself, in other words, you can't do anything, you have done too much. You should be able to still go about your day and still be able to do something. So with that, if you have further questions on that, contact us at physicalofeversville.com.